look at that. Did you see that one? I see that guy in Philly all the time. This shit sounds good. That whatever Mini Cooper. Got one of our fishnets. If you notice, I sped up a little. Ah, it's Corey's. Out enjoying the car scene.
How hard are they to put on?
20 minutes.
Look how clean that bitch is.
I started looking at the Ranger.
People got some money, buddy.
Oh yeah. Retirement, man. These guys retire and put their money in their toys and start doing this shit.
Another blue Mustang over there.
Nice red one back there. That's a nice little Cobalt. Fiero. Easy, Letty. No idea.
Yeah, we all done that. Yep, we've all done that before. Yep.
Jesus, look at the chrome. Whoa. It's not though. I've seen them